Hey everybody, this is John with Dead Drift Outdoors. It is early 2022. We're in January. I am out here today for the first time fishing this year. Pretty excited. Decent weather today. Started out pretty chilly, but we're moving up just above freezing. Going to be heading up into the upper 30s. I'm going to be fishing a couple small creeks today, and I've already done a little scouting from the car and spotted, I think, 3 brook trout so far, and they all look pretty active. They are all out in feeding lanes. Spooked one of them. So I think the possibility are pretty decent of hooking up with maybe a brook trout or two. I'm not expecting a lot of fish or any big fish, but just to be out here today with decent weather, a little tiny bit of snow on the ground, it's absolutely beautiful. I could not be more excited to be out here making a video for you guys to start out 2022. So let's get to it and see what we can find. All right, well, I'm just gonna start out fishing this elk hair caddis more as an indicator, and then I'm dropping this little black and green rubber leg copper john. Here we go. All right. Well, I switched up to a nymph rig because there's a nice deep little slot along this wall here, and earlier today I spooked up a nice, what looked to be a 10 or 12 inch brookie. So I threw on an indicator rig here. I've got a pretty heavy chartreuse copper john, and then that small beadhead hare's ear that I've hooked one and landed one on. So we'll see. So I know there's at least 3 brookies in this pool because I spooked a big one, hooked a decent one, and then saw a smaller one that wasn't interested. Oh, there we go. Nice. I saw the indicator draw. I thought I was on the bottom. All right. Caught me by surprise. All right. Number 2. Heck yeah. That was the good one. All right. Woohoo! Fish of the day. I knew there was a nice one under that rock, baby. Yeah. Oh, that makes my day. There we go. Gave it a little action right up under the falls there. All right. Super cool, man. Super cool. All right, well that's gonna do it for today. Had a couple more opportunities at some brookies right at the end there. Ended up spooking them. Was trying to set up the camera and get some shots, but did find a nice pool full of fish, so I'll be back next time. Great way to start 2022. Got my first trout of the season, and I'm super excited that it was a native brook trout. Can't beat that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Just want to give a quick thanks to everybody who subscribed to the channel. I did hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you. I'm really excited to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm looking forward to another great year with the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you'd like, and we'll see you next time.